3 things you absolutely need to know about standing splits. We have a tendency to think that this pose is about getting the leg as high as we can no matter what. It causes us to open up this hip. Standing splits is a square pelvis posture. Both hip points need to point forwards, in this case towards the ground. So we accomplish that by using the glutes and the hamstrings of the lifting leg to pull the leg up without twisting the pelvis open. Your ego is not gonna like it. Your ego really wants that leg to go super high because that's what the yoga people look like, isn't it? Most important things to think about in this pose. Roll the top hip down. You will feel that it means your leg does not go nearly as high. And then think about using the inner thigh muscles on that leg to lift. Push down through the heel of the standing leg, lift up through the outer hip of the standing leg, and then walk your hands closer to your foot. The key here is not compromise your pelvis just for the sake of getting the leg higher. Getting the leg higher is not the goal of the pose. Stretching into the hamstring and activating the back of the leg of the lifting leg is the goal of the pose.
Comment no BS below and I will send you the link to my no bullshit yoga pose library that breaks down the nitty-gritty details of over 90 yoga poses so that you never have to ask yourself, what am I doing in yoga class ever again?